You look so wonderful in your dress. I love your hair like that. The way it falls on the side of your neck, down your shoulders and back.
So, Christopher and Daphnee, this ceremony is to celebrate your love for each other. I'm going to discuss about marriage. The intention of marriage is that a couple may grow together, united within each other's hearts by love and trust. The gift of marriage brings husband and wife together in a timeless unity. Marriage is a sign of oneness and loyalty to be upheld and honored. May your love be renewed each moment to each decade, continuously cultivated forevermore. Love makes us stronger individuals, able to live in ways we dare not risk alone. Let your unity strengthen unique contributions. Marriage understands and finds perfection in imperfections. As a timeless promise, in hearts of two, marriage is fulfilled in a pair of lives for the rest of life. Christopher, do you promise to love Daphnee, holding her in your heart through good times and in bad, when life seems easy and when it seems hard, when your love is simple and when it is difficult, for all the days of your life?
I do.
And Daphnee, do you promise to love Christopher, holding him in your heart through good times and in bad, when life seems easy and when it seems hard, when your love is simple and when it's difficult, for all the days of your life?
I do.
As we stand beside the ocean tide, may your love always be as constant and unchanging as the never-ending waves that pour before us, flowing endlessly from the depths of the sea. Your love came softly upon your hearts, just as the foam comes softly upon the sands. And just as there will never be a day without the ocean's flow, so too there will never be a morning without your mutual love. Your pledge on this day of your love will be as dependable as the tide. As the waters nourish the earth and sustain life, may your constant devotion nourish and sustain your souls till the end of time. Christopher, please repeat after me. I, Chris, take you, Daphnee.
I, Chris, take you, Daphnee.
To be my wife.
To be my wife.
To have and to hold.
To have and to hold.
From this day forward.
From this day forward.
For better or worse.
For better or worse.
Richer or poorer.
Richer or poorer.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
To love and care for.
To love and care for.
As long as.
As long as.
We both shall live.
We both shall live.
And your turn, Daphnee. I, Daphnee, take you, Chris.
I, Daphnee, take you, Chris.
To be my husband.
To be my husband.
To have and to hold.
To have and to hold.
From this day forward.
From this day forward.
For better or worse.
For better or for worse.
Richer or poorer.
Richer or poorer.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
To love and care for.
To love and care for.
As long as.
As long as.
We both shall live.
We both shall live.
The ring is an outward and visible sign of an inner and spiritual relationship. The rings are circles, and the circle is the symbol of the never-ending, always revolving, unbroken, and timeless cycle of love and life. Love freely given has no beginning and no end, no giver and no receiver. May the rings exchanged today always remind you of the vows spoken. And the ring? Chris, please place the ring on Daphnee's hand as you repeat after me. Daphnee, with this ring.
Daphnee, with this ring.
I thee wed.
I thee wed.
As a ring has no end.
As a ring has no end.
Neither shall my love for you.
Neither shall my love for you. It fits.
Put that in there too, please.
Sure.
And Daphnee, please place the ring now on Chris's hand. Repeat after me. Chris, with this ring.
Chris, with this ring.
I thee wed.
I thee wed.
With this ring,
with this ring,
I devote myself to you,
I devote myself to you,
as a ring has no end.
as a ring has no end.
May these rings be blessed, so the couple abides in harmony, living in true love, happily ever after. And remember to treat each other with respect. Remind yourselves often of what brought you together, and give the highest priority to the tenderness, gentleness, and kindness your connection deserves. During any challenge, remember to focus on what is right between you. In this way, you can ride out times when clouds obstruct the sun's face in your life. Remember that while you might lose sight of the sun for a moment, the sun is still there. And if each of you takes responsibility for the quality of your life together will be marked by abundance and delight. Give one another new experiences of joy, challenge each other so that you may grow, but always remember to laugh every day and to love each other. Daphnee and Chris, you have sealed your relationship by the giving and receiving of rings, the exchange of vows, and the standing in the circle altar. I hereby pronounce you as husband and wife. You may kiss for the first time as husband and wife.
So in love, so in love, so in love, so in love. Lumiere, darling, Lumiere over me. Lumiere, darling, Lumiere over me. Lumiere, darling, Lumiere over me. Should this be the last thing I see, I want you to know it's enough for me. 'Cause all that you are is all that I'll ever need. So in love, so in love, so in love, 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 so in love. You look so wonderful in your dress. I love your hair like that. And in the moment